What's up, y'all? Champ checking in. In today's video, we got me and Pop's 1968 Ford Convertible Mustang V8. We're doing a full restoration on this. We need some floor work. We got the floors brand new right here we need installed. We're gonna get some quarter panel work we need done. Pretty much just going around the car showing you guys a before and after. We got a lot of work to do. We starting from ground zero. We got to strip it down to bare metal and build it back up so you guys will be able to see the whole full restoration. That's the good thing about it. And I'm going to let the video do the talking, man, so y'all stay tuned. Hey y'all, back at y'all. Just wanted to show y'all a quick update before I take it in for the night. We were able to successfully get the motor and transmission out. Here it is right here. That's a 390 big block C6 transmission. I took out the drivetrain earlier, as you'll see in the video, mufflers, everything over the top end before we took out the motor. So while the Mustang is in the shop getting the floor panels installed, right over there you see them. Me and Pop's gonna be here. I think we're gonna get the transmission rebuilt. We're gonna go through the motor. We're trying to decide if we wanna swap the motor out, trash this, keep it, put an EFI on it, Coyote motor 5.0. I mean, we have tons of options. If you have any ideas, feel free to DM me or leave a comment, point me in the right direction. I appreciate it. And yeah, I just wanted to update you guys, man. Stay tuned. Peace. You can run, but you can't hide. What's up, y'all? As y'all can see, we was able to successfully get off the fenders, bumpers, grill, etc. Next step is we're gonna come back, take the hood off, take the seat out, the complete dash, all of that. Get it ready to go to the shop, get sandblasted. We got to take the wires off. We're literally stripping it to the frame, and we're going to rebuild it back up. The floor got to get installed over there. We're thinking about doing a coyote swap. If you got any ideas, can point me in the right direction of somebody that knows how to do it, knows the best motors, you know, just any help, please feel free to comment, send me a message. Appreciate y'all for staying tuned. Peace. What's up, y'all? This is Champ, back at it again with another video. Today we plan on taking the convertible top off. We're gonna take the trunk off. Like I said, we're getting everything ready to get sandblasted and done. We're gonna take the dash out completely. I think we're gonna take these side windows out. We're gonna take these off. Take some wires and cords out of here. We're trying to get it ready for sandblasting and possibly a coyote swap. So yeah, we just literally stripping it down to the frame, bare knuckles, and we're gonna go from there, man. Y'all stay tuned. Hey y'all, post video, just wanted to show y'all an update. We were able to get the door off, the trunk. We didn't get the convertible top off. We're gonna say that for next time, but we got all the back bumper lights, decals, everything you can think of is off. Getting ready for the sandblasting stage. Go ahead and then after that, we're gonna get this, them seats, the floor pans put in. Stay tuned, appreciate y'all. What's up, everybody? Quick update. We were able to finally successfully get the whole wire harness out. We took the dash out, as y'all can see. Got all the way in there. Steering column, steering wheel, complete wiring. We started taking off this, so the windshield, we're gonna take the windshield out. We took the mounts off of here, getting it ready for that coyote swap. We took the brake system out, steering wheel, column, pedals, everything. Getting it ready, we went under it and took the whole gas line out as well. Complete gas line out, going. Literally, got it all the way down to the frame. So what's next is probably gonna go get it sandblasted. We got a few more days of pulling out to do. Go get it sandblasted. We contemplating on the acid dip. Heavily thinking about doing a coyote swap. I just want to try to see what we're working with. Breaking her down to the core, and we're gonna go back through her. Stay tuned. Fix that. Quarter panels, a little shot. Both sides. See that? It's real ugly. Not all the metal bad, but we definitely got a lot of bad metal.